Hello everyone, today I will be installing LineageOS on my Google Pixel 3a. LineageOS is a custom Android ROM. It's very close to stock Android, but it has its own suite of apps. So instead of like Google apps, you'll get their own gallery, caller, file explorer, you name it. And it's all free and open source. The first thing we need to do is to install ADB and fastboot on the computer, so we can communicate with the phone. So you need to install Android Tools ADB and Android Tools fastboot. Now we need to allow unlocking on the phone and allow USB debugging. We can do that by going to Settings, scrolling down to About Phone, then type the build number, the text, type that 5 times until you're a developer. Then you go back to System. Here are the developer options. Here you can allow OEM unlocking, so you can install a different ROM, and USB debugging, so that you can use ADB commands. Now connect your phone to the computer. Then you can open up a terminal and type ADB devices. Then a pop-up will appear on your phone. If you want to allow USB debugging, you press allow. Then if you run the command again, you can see it's now attached. So what we don't want to do is to go to the fastboot. So you can do that by typing ADB reboot bootloader. And now your phone will boot into fastboot mode. From there you can see it's the phone is locked. We want to unlock it. You can do that by typing fastboot flashing unlock. Then it will appear on your phone again. Here you want to press the volume button until it says unlock, and then you can press the power button. And now your phone will be unlocked. Now you want to go to the LineageOS page of your device. So go to the LineageOS website, get LineageOS. Then I go to Google. Here is the Pixel 3a XL, that's the one I have. Here you want to, with right click, open up the installation guide and the build, that's where you download the ROM. So let's download the ROM first. You need the Linux zip and the boot image. Now you can go to the instructions, and you'll see the first thing you need to flash is the boot image. So I can just copy this because it has the same name. And then you go to the directory where you downloaded it. For me it's in downloads. And then make sure you're on fastboot, and then you can flash the image. Now that the boot image is installed, you can go into the new Linux recovery. You can do that with the volume button until you see recovery. And then you press the power button. Now it will boot into the LineageOS recovery. Here you go to apply update. and it says apply from ADB. So then you can upload a package to the phone, install it with ADB. You press the power button again. And as you will see in the next step, it will indeed say to install the lineage.zip. So let's go to the terminal. And now we have to use ADB to install it. So the command you want to use is ADB sideload lineage and then the whole package name you downloaded. That's strange. 1 second. I just reattached the cable and then I ran it again, and now it's installing fine. It's now installed, so now we can go back to factory reset, and then we want to format data. And then reboot system now. As you can see, it's now installed. So that's how you can install LineageOS. I will show you the start screen. So this is what it looks like by default. It's a very basic Android experience. Here for the menu, it's all default. So I hope you liked the video, and until next time.